In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Bard on Google Workspace. This handy guide will walk you through the process step by step, making sure you can get Bard up and running in no time. Whether you're new to Google Workspace or just looking to add this powerful tool to your digital arsenal, you're in the right place. First things first, let's navigate to Google Workspace. You'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Google Workspace homepage. Just type in the URL or simply search for Google Workspace in your favorite search engine, and you should easily find it. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to choose the Google account you want to use with Bard. This might be your personal account, or it could be a business account if you're setting this up for your company. Make sure you select the correct account to proceed. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is just a standard security measure to ensure that only authorized users can make changes to your Google Workspace settings. Go ahead and type in your password. With your credentials entered, click on the Next button. This will take you to the main dashboard of your Google Workspace account. From here, you're going to locate the square dots icon, usually found on the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents the Google Apps menu, and clicking it will display all the available Google services and apps linked to your account. In the menu that appears, look for the Admin Console. It's important to note that you may need administrative privileges to access this area. If you don't see it, you might need to ask your account administrator for access or to perform these steps on your behalf. Now, inside the Admin Console, you're going to find and click on Generative AI. This is where Google houses all the settings related to its AI tools, including Bard, which is now known as Gemini. Google tends to update names and features, so it's good to keep abreast of these changes. Next, you'll see an option labeled Gemini for Workspace. Click on this to proceed. And remember, Gemini is the new name for Bard, so don't be confused by the branding. Within the Gemini settings, locate and click on the Gemini app. This will bring up various options related to the Gemini tool. Your next action is to find Service Status. This is where you can turn the Gemini tool on or off for your account. To enable Gemini, or Bard as it was formerly called, simply click on Turn On. This will activate Gemini for your Google Workspace account, granting you access to all the innovative and powerful features that Bard has to offer. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. It's crucial to save your settings to ensure that all your changes are applied. Skipping this step could mean all your progress is lost, and you would have to start over from the beginning. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Bard, now known as Gemini, on your Google Workspace account. This powerful tool can help streamline various tasks, leveraging Google's advanced artificial intelligence technology to enhance productivity and creativity in your workspace. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more tips and guides on making the most out of digital tools and services, be sure to check back with us. Thanks for watching.